From a suspect high on drugs who flees Arkansas State Police at over 102 miles per hour, smashing through the mayor's fence, to legendary Trooper Bird executing a perfect pit maneuver on a drug-possessing dad with a child in the front seat. These are instances where drug dealers are fast and furious against the law. This chase was pure chaos from the moment the Lincoln MKZ hit 102 miles per hour on I-55. Flying down a city street at triple the speed limit shows zero care for anyone's safety. The way he lost control, skidded into the wrong lane, and nearly went head-on with traffic could have ended in a deadly crash. By the time he plowed through the mayor's fence, the pursuit had turned from dangerous to unbelievable. It's amazing no innocent drivers or pedestrians were hurt in this one.
Black passenger car coming into West Memphis on Broadway, fixing to pass Walker. It's a Tennessee tag. She's going head on into traffic. She's trying to cut through the parking lot.
What stands out is how calculated the trooper stayed while everything else was spinning out of control. Instead of panicking when the suspect veered into oncoming lanes, the trooper kept pressure but didn't escalate recklessly. Following him into the abandoned lot was risky but necessary. It kept eyes on the Lincoln until he wrecked out. That's disciplined pursuit work under extreme conditions. You can tell training and patience paid off in this capture.
You better put your hands up! Put them up! Both hands! Forrest, get me another unit. He crashed out here on Walker. He's behind a fence. I'm not going to approach him until I get somebody else here. You better not move! You better not move! We're just off of Walker. Just off of Broadway on Walker. Forrest City, it's Boy Sam Queen 1950. Boy Sam Queen 1950. It's a black Lincoln MKZ. Forrest, I'm just holding him at gunpoint right now. Don't move!
Brewer wasn't just running from a traffic stop. He was trying to dump cocaine in the middle of a chase. That makes sense of his desperate driving. Tampering with evidence during a 100 miles per hour pursuit is the definition of reckless. On top of that, he exposed officers to airborne powder, which could have been fentanyl. This wasn't just a fleeing case, it was a rolling hazard to everyone involved.
The driver's got his hands up, but he's not getting out. Hey, I'm gonna come around to you, all right? Come on. All right, we're gonna hold till we get another unit.
I think it's another body on that side over there.
Is it?
I can see it. Look big.
Yeah.
There's a shadow in there.
I couldn't see. I seen one, but I couldn't see the other.
You're moving around.
You better hold your hands up!
The irony here is almost cinematic. Brewer thought he could ditch the drugs, but instead he stacked up a pile of new charges. From fleeing at substantial risk of death, to reckless driving, tampering, and even exposing an officer to narcotics. It's a legal disaster. And crashing into the mayor's fence? That just adds insult to injury. He went from suspended license to potentially years behind bars in a single afternoon. Trooper Bird has built a reputation for getting the job done, and this chase shows exactly why. With a child sitting in the front seat, the stakes are way higher than normal. That pit wasn't just about stopping a fleeing suspect. It was about saving that kid's life before something catastrophic happened. It takes guts and precision to pull that off under pressure. Legendary is the right word for bird here.
Adam 85, Boulevard 1024. Adam 85.
That's received.
30 East 113, Boy, Charles, Ball, 27 David. PCP 27D on the Great East on the road.
Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Take your foot off the brake. Put your car in park and take your foot off the brake. Take your foot off the, put your car in park.
I got my car with me.
That's fine, but put your car in park.
What I'm saying is, I know I'm gonna have to go to jail, so I need you to, I need
That's fine, then just stop where you're at. You don't determine this. Stop and listen. Put the car in park now. Put it in park and turn it off. Put the keys on top of the car. Put the keys on top of the car! I don't care what you're trying to do. Put the car in park. 46 around. You starting to know. I took Rodney here. Trying to get him put in the car. Put the car in park. Do not go. No, stay there. Do not go.
This chase is frustrating because the driver made the worst possible decision. Not only was he carrying drugs, but he thought running from troopers with his child in the car was the smart move. That's endangering your own kid just to avoid accountability. Every time he pressed the gas, he put his child at risk. The fact that Bird shut it down quickly might have saved that little one's life.
You started LRPD to me. We're east on Ronnie Perron, headed to Breckenridge. He's on the phone. He told me that I was going to follow him to his baby mama's side. And I told him no, that he took off driving. He's got his son in the car with him.
10-4. What's your 20 now?
Eastbound Running Perron at the Glide Express car wash. I'm fixing the TVI. Low speeds. Show me your hands now! Show me your hands!
You can tell Trooper Bird's pit wasn't reckless. It was controlled and perfectly executed. With a kid in the car, he had to end it fast but also clean. Too much force, and the child could have been injured. Too little, and the chase drags on with more danger. That balance is what separates good troopers from great ones. Burr made it look textbook.
Step out of the car and walk backwards towards me now. Put your car in park. Put the car in park. Turn it off. Turn it off. Get out of the car and lay on the ground now. Get out of the car and lay on the ground.
I just told you I'm from McDonald's. I was trying to grab Jessica. He finna grab me. Please don't hurt me, sir. Please don't hurt me. Here go my phone. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. That's all I ask. I'm not doing nothing bad. I just said I knew I was going to jail. I'm just trying to get my son. Please don't hurt me. Like, dang. That's all I was trying to do. You knew I was just trying to go get my son. Like, that's all I'm trying to do.
You could have listened to me when I told you to put the car in park and not
I'm trying
move.
to take you to my son. I'm trying to take
Yeah,
my
but
son.
the issue is you're not listening.
I know you was going to take me to jail, so I'm just trying to take my son there. Like, damn, you act like I'm doing something bad. I'm just trying to take my son there. I don't have nothing. I don't have anything.
What sticks with me here is the lack of care from Marquise Jones. He had no seatbelt, no insurance, a suspended license, and drugs on him. And he still thought fleeing with a kid in the front seat was an option. That's not just bad decision-making, that's selfishness at its peak. Parents are supposed to protect their kids, not gamble their lives in a high-speed chase. Bird's intervention was the parenting that child didn't get in that moment.
Don't be a bandit.
Now you're.
I already was gonna go to jail, but you was gonna make my kid be a bandit.
Now you got a fleeing charge. So
Why would I have
congratulations.
a
There's a kid. Will you get the kid out? You know he's in the front. Hey, he was on the phone with somebody, so someone's probably going to come over and get the kid, okay?
Okay.
Hey, are you hurt, buddy?
You alright?
Are you okay? Okay.
It's for what?
All good? Alright,
The list of charges is long, but endangering the welfare of a minor hits hardest. That child had no choice but to sit there while dad ran from the law. Imagine how terrifying that must have been for them. Lights, sirens, and then the sudden pit maneuver. That's the kind of trauma no kid should experience. All because one adult couldn't face responsibility.
So,
Is there a reason why he didn't?
do what?
Is there a reason why he didn't stop?
He had his kid in the car. He said he knew he was going to jail, so he was going to go to his baby mama's house. So, that's on him. Hey, Freaky, since you got the kid, will you get his name and date of birth, please? Thank you. How are you? You alright? Good, man. I've got his stuff.
Huh? Okay.
No, you acting like I'm hiding anything. Stop acting like that.
I didn't say you were hiding anything. All you had to do was listen to me, though. You're the one that
I knew I was gonna go to
Well,
jail.
listen to me, man. Listen to me. Hey,
Like
grown man, grown man, quit interrupting me.
The grown man shit, bro. You
Well, then
knew what I was
quit
trying to
being
do.
childish and quit interrupting
I'm being
me.
a grown ass father figure trying to make sure my son is safe.
Then you should have stopped back there when I told you to put the car in park and turn it off.
I don't want to hear it, bro. Just call my mama, bro. I don't want
From a viewer's perspective, this chase really highlights why troopers like Bird are respected. He's not chasing clout, he's chasing accountability. Whether it's drug possession, fleeing, or putting a child in danger, Bird knows how to close it out safely. Watching him work makes you realize how much precision and discipline goes into ending these pursuits. You can see why his name keeps coming up in these legendary stops.